Today we're cooking up crispy golden fish and chips that will give you that authentic British pub experience right at home. Let's get cooking. First, soak 800 grams of fish in 1 liter of water with a tablespoon of salt for 2 hours. Afterward, strain the fish and marinate with 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 50 grams of fish seasoning, and 1/4 of a cup of water. Refrigerate for 4 to 6 hours or overnight. Whisk 2 eggs and prepare 1 cup of flour with 1 teaspoon of black pepper and 1 cup of breadcrumbs on separate plates. Dip the fish into the flour, then the eggs, and finally coat with breadcrumbs. Deep fry the fish on low heat until golden and cook through. Cut 2 washed potatoes into wedges and deep fry until crispy on the outside and soft inside. Serve your fish and wedges hot, a delicious twist on the classic fish and chips. Subscribe our YouTube channel for more delicious recipes.